Nvidia, this thing, every time I look at it, it's up 1, 2, 3% in a single day. And today alone, it's up over 3.6%. So we are going to be looking at what's going on and answering that main question of should you buy this stock? We always hear the expression of buy low, sell high, but with Nvidia or Nvidia, however you say it, every time we look at this stock, it's almost hitting new highs or hitting new highs. So in today's video, we are going to be looking at what's going on and answering that main question. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask down below. And if you guys want to learn more about swing trading and investing in the markets, I highly recommend going on and checking out the Swing Trading Masterclass. That is my school. It's my pride, my joy. And guys, right now we're doing a fantastic 4th of July sale. You guys can use code America for 50% off. We talked about how to find stocks that are undervalued, my strategies, and all that stuff. So guys, check it out down below and let's jump into this stock here and look at it. All right, so looking at this here, you guys will see that this thing has been on a non-stop roar of buying pressure. It almost looks like every time we see this stock hit new highs, about a week or two later, it's hitting new highs again. And guys, this thing alone today is up over 3.5%. So why are we getting so much buying pressure today? Well, looking at this article here, you guys will see that Nvidia stock gains as analysts lift targets on strong demand for AI platform. So pretty much what goes on is, all these companies, these wealth management companies, these analysts, they give a price target for stocks. Now, what this causes is retail investors like you and I to say, okay, well, if that's just say JP Morgan and Chase gives a price target of $150 and the stock's $100, man, this thing has $50 of wiggle room to possibly hit that target. So it causes a lot of retail investors to hop in on it and realize that this stock could be undervalued. So as we scroll down, pretty much all it states is Nvidia shares rose Monday as analysts lift their price target for the stock. UBS analysts upgraded their price target for Nvidia stock to 150 from 120, which is really, really great to see. So let's go to this stock here and look at should you buy it. So for me, I always think Nvidia carries so much potential just for long-term growth. They're heavily invested, I'm sure you guys know, into technology, artificial intelligence. But the thing about Nvidia that I love is, it's not just hype. If we look at some of the fundamentals here, look at this earnings growth. You guys can see it's been on a great buying, great beating expectations. The EPS is rising. The gross margin is doing well, up 21%. The net margin's up 100%. The revenue here, you guys can see it just on this great upward trend, which is always good. This is what we want to look at. As we scroll down here, the total revenue last quarter here was up 262%, which is like that's absolutely insane for a stock. The cash flow is doing well. The cash flow alone is up 427%. So yes, we're getting a lot of buying pressure here on the stock side, but also the fundamentals are very, very good as well. So personally, I would not be surprised to see this stock hit $150. But let's talk about, is this thing overvalued? So for me, one of the indicators that I like is something called the RSI lines. RSI stands for the Relative Strength Index. This tracks momentum inside the stock here. And you guys can see historically, every time it's trading for about an 83, we get some sort of slowdown or consolidation. You guys can see that it was trading for here where we got that dip down. Another point here where we got this dip down. Another point where it was at an 83, this dip, and then even in here. So as of right now, we definitely could see this, getting back up to the 140 area. But I really think the best strategy for investing into this stock, and the strategy that I've been doing for a couple of years now with this, because I've been buying it for a while, I should say. But the best strategy for this is going to be to dollar cost average it. Dollar cost averaging is a really, really good way to invest and get a good average price for your stock. And the reason why I say this, because Nvidia could be a little overvalued, right? It could be. It's up, over 100% this year. It was up 200% last year. Every day it's almost hitting new highs. So yes, we could see a little bit of some pullback. And dollar cost averaging is investing consistently rather than just dumping in a bunch of money. It's a great way to get a good average price for the stock. And if I was going to load up, and what I would recommend doing if you're a new investor, a new trader, is to dollar cost average the stock that you like, and then set an alert. So for me, I love looking at like moving average lines and stuff like that. If you guys know what they are, they act as support and resistance. So you guys can see that this blue line, every time it hits it, we just get buying pressure, right? It hits it, buying pressure, hits it. So now, for me, I would just set an alert near $100. If we get sell off here, back down to this price, you can get notified to buy this stock. And the great thing about it here is if you don't, you just get more buying pressure. You're dollar cost averaging, so you still have shares to make money. It's a really good way to kind of cover all of your losses. If the stock dips down, you're continuing to buy that dip. If it gets more buying pressure, you're just continuing to buy into it. So it's a great strategy and one that I would recommend. But that is why Nvidia stock is moving and grooving. Let me know down below if you guys are buying it. And don't forget to check out the Swing Trading Masterclass. If you guys want to learn more about trading, check it out. And guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Like, subscribe, and I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. And take care.